Okay, so today we're going to start on lesson 11, styling elements with CSS. So basically what we're doing is we're just getting more code to add more styles. Basically we've done color and we've done font size and we've done font styles, different font styles, and then we've done like some underlining and things like that. And maybe bold. We haven't really done a ton of other stuff. So this new code today is going to allow you to do add more styles and just make your website look more creative. So I'm going to go ahead and hit continue. And I'm going to walk you through just a couple of these, and then you can go ahead and work on your own. It says click the website below to discover some of the new types of styles for your pages. I'm not going to do that. You guys can, but I can see again different colors, fonts. I noticed that these pictures are rounded. They're not just squares. And it looks like this one has a border and background colors, which you guys have found. Some of you have found background colors. Again, here's an underline, and here's like a little collage of pictures. Also, I've noticed that there's stuff that's centered, which that might have been in one of our last lessons, but anyway, centering. All right, so there's a lot of different things that we can add in to make our web pages look unique and attractive and things like that. So those are the things that we're going to add in. All right, so I'm going to just get you started, and then I'm going to make a couple things, and then I'm going to let you go. The biggest thing, you guys, is to read these and read your instructions carefully. So look through the web pages, open the style sheet, and in the next few levels, so it says what makes, so you guys have already figured some of this stuff out. So if I click on the style, some of you guys already did a background color, so that's nothing new. You'll notice now we do have this like float, width, margin. All right, so this is something to do with the image. So my guess is that it's something to do with that picture. And then we've done that. So this is kind of the new stuff right there that they're going to be walking us through. So I'm going to go ahead and hit finish, so you don't even have to do anything about 3. And again, when it says stuff with partners, you guys are doing this by yourself. All right, it says find the code in the style sheet that is making the background of the entire page light blue. Change the code to make the page a different color. Try to change the background color of just the paragraphs. All right, so we know that when we want to work with this, we got to click in our CSS. So right here is the background color for the body. So I'm going to click on light blue, and you can make it, now make it, you get, the one thing about background colors that you have to watch if you use background colors is that you need to make background colors that are going to allow you to still read your text, and that's going to be important. So you don't want to go crazy. So I'm going to just go, I'm going to go light green here, so you're still able to read text, okay? And then it said something about, all right, so I'm not too worried about, if you want to try to do this, change the color of the background of the paragraph, you can try that. I don't know if you just do this, I guess, and we can put background color, and we'll see if this works. I'll make it a dark green. There we go. So again, all you have to do is, as I mentioned, in this, you just make your style for your heading, and anything you want with heading 1, that's where you put it. Anything changes you want to heading 2, right there. Anything changes you want to the image, that's where you put it. So I just went down here for paragraph because this is my paragraph code, and I just added that in there, and so now I added that. Now, do I love that? No, but that's going to be my example for you guys. All right, so that's all you have to do. So I'm going to hit finish. All right, I'm not going to go ahead and do all of these. I want you guys to try to figure this out. But once you make changes, you'll notice that they do follow along, and that's fine. All right. So when they say rule set, again, that's what they're talking about. So here's the body rule set or style of our style sheet. There's, like I just mentioned, so there's what they're talking about. So find the body rule set. Well, here's the body one right there. So I want you guys to go ahead and follow these instructions. So you're going to start with 5, and you're going to do 5, and then you're going to do 6, which is talking about your image. You're going to find some information about that. And then you're going to do 7, which is talking again about width and height of pictures. All right, so you'll do what they ask for you to do there on 7. And then on 8, you've got styling elements. All right, so you've got, looks like all the way through F. So you're going to do A through F. This is going to allow you to work and do a little debugging and just see how changing the CSS on websites works. All right, so I want you to do A through F, and then your assessment, circle 9, is they give you some options right here. So you're going to actually they've created a website for you here. They're going to have you make some changes over here. So that's what you're going to do. And then for 10, I'm going to go ahead and assign this one this time. These are some challenges because I want you guys to we're going to be doing coding for your own web page here eventually. And so I want you to go through here and see if you can figure out those challenges that they have right there for you. All right, and then when you're done with that, you'll finish. Okay, so lesson 11, styling elements with the CSS.